we're not gonna use flour, but instead we're gonna use breadcrumbs as yung parang pang ano niya, ang tawag nito, basta
the balls. Mas masarap pag kinakamaw.
Welcome to our channel again. Naming mag-asawa, Ramesh. Hi, babe. Okay, so ngayong hapon, actually, maaga pa naman. It's still 4:30, but we're already preparing for our dinner kasi dalawang ulam ang gagawin namin. But right now, we're gonna show you the first ulam na gagawin namin is bola-bola. This is bola-bola with a twist kasi hindi kami gagamit ng pork or beef, but instead we're gonna use tuna flakes. Itong tuna flakes na gagamitin namin ngayon, actually kasama to dun sa unang ginamit natin sa carbonara, yung nung first vlog natin. 4 kasi yung binili niya. So meron pa tayong dalawa. So ito yung gagamitin natin, and we're not gonna use flour, but instead we're gonna use breadcrumbs as yung parang pang ano niya, ang tawag nito, basta yun. So yun yung alternative natin sa flour. So we're gonna show you right now the ingredients, and then we'll start cutting up. Okay? Okay guys, so we're almost done cutting. Maybe you're wondering bakit malaki yung pagkahiwa ng patatas natin, is because isi-steam natin to, tsaka imamash natin, tsaka natin ihalo sa tuna. So aside from we don't have a flour, but we do have breadcrumbs as the combining agent, makakatulong din yung mashed potato na i-combine yung tuna natin at saka yung mga ingredients. So let's go, let's cook. Okay, so mga higala, malambot na yung potatoes natin, so we're gonna start mashing up. Okay. Okay mga higala, so we already have the balls. So while Bev is doing the balls making, tayo naman we're gonna start frying our balls. Okay.
Alright mga higala, we're done cooking the first batch. Ang ingay ng mga kapitbahay namin. Okay, so tingnan nyo naman, it's very golden brown. Tsaka ang crispy-crispy niya. So we're gonna cook the rest and then kakain na tayo.
Alright, mga higala, mga onata. So, ito ulam natin. Yung niluto kanina na tuna, meatballs, tsaka ito, pakbet. Kain tayo.
Mas masarap pag kinakamay.
Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap.
Paningot mo siya. Dili para tang pakbit.
Parang
Yung pakbit namin guys, puro gulay lang tsaka alamang. Kasama namin yung kapatid ni husband, si mother, tsaka si sister. Say hi!
Tulog din.
ano? Tuloy mo. Tuloy.
Alright mga higala, tapos na tayong kumain ng dinner. Chill na lang tayo. I hope na-enjoy nyo ang video na to, and if you'd like to try that recipe as well, I will write down the ingredients on the description below para try nyo rin sa bahay nyo and see if magustuhan ninyo. And if there's something else that you would like us to try, if you would like us to show more of our mugna recipes, just comment down below and let us know. And please like, share, and hit the notification below and subscribe to our channel para everyday sama-sama tayo. Bye mga higala! Thank you!